Today it's a fun video because I am going to recommend some books. So these are 9 recommendations of books that I have. If you are somebody who is not very interested into reading books but you want to start reading books, or you are struggling to find which book you should start reading with, then I'm going to recommend some books to you. I always felt like becoming a reader. I really liked the concept of sitting in a library, reading books, and just being involved with different variety of books. But somehow I was not able to sit down and actually complete a book. So the trick is to find a topic of which you have immense interest to learn about and start with that category of book. You can like any kind of books, just start with a book which you think you might be interested in. So I thought of let's first start with something related to development or self-development, and that is how I started reading the book. Okay, so here are my 9 recommendations. These are very easy to go books, and some might keep you like hooked up for a long time. Ta-da! This is on number 1, and I think it's on number 1 because of the preference. The book is Don't Believe Everything You Think. I think this is like the title which should be like a tagline that I have for myself. It's a very tiny one, so you will be hooked up on this one and you will obviously finish it faster. I don't want to give a lot about the book because it's so tiny. The title says it all. You of how and what kind of thoughts you're having and what is the result of these thoughts. So whatever you're thinking, you don't necessarily have to think about it. Like any chapter I open in this book, any random page, it is always going to give me some kind of wisdom which is like crazy. Society will almost never confirm your intuition until it's mainstream already. For this reason, if you try to look outside for confirmation on what you know to be true for you, you'll almost always get backlash and differing opinions on what next steps you should take. Avoid looking externally for answers. Follow your intuition, your gut feeling, your inner wisdom, and the universe or God. The next one is a little funny one. Now, I find it difficult to have a conversation with somebody I do not know unless the other person is talkative or extrovert and just brings up the topic. I think it was the first book that I started reading. This is how to win friends and influence people. I went on Google and whatever other top books suggested, I started reading those according to the interest that I had. So this was number 1. So like if you are into like business or something of your own and you have to anyway interact with a variety kind of people, this also shows you of what people are expecting you to say, what if you say something, how people are going to react to it. So if you are thinking of getting into somebody's head psychologically or understanding anybody, then this is also a great book for that, just to understand how people perceive your words. Maybe you can recommend your favorite so I can just go through it. The next one has to be Ikigai. I'm sure you might have heard of this. It's a very fresh, light book to read. Ooh, found a bookmark made by my sister. When are we the happiest? Questions can help us discover our Ikigai. See, the questions which can give you like a question mark in your head, I'm up for it. Tuesdays with Maury. I hope I'm saying that right. Now this is a very recent one that I read, and first I was a little skeptical because I do not want to have any kind of trauma after reading a book. I want to have like a positive thing towards life and everything else. So I was a little skeptical, but I heard from a couple of my friends that it's a great book to read and I should definitely read. So this is a very cute story, a very touching, heart-touching one, and it's nice. Even if you do not want to read any of these books, you should give this a try. Part of the problem, Mitch, is that everyone is in such hurry. People haven't found meaning in their life, so they are running all the time looking for it. They think the next car, the next house, the next job, then they find those things are empty too, and they keep running. once you start running, it's hard to slow yourself down. The next one is The Alchemist, which I also found very interesting, where you are getting life lessons but in a storytelling way. There is only one way to learn, it's through actions. Everything you need to know you have learned through your journey. The next one that I'm recently reading is called The Attitude. This I have just picked up because of how it looks. This one is basically how you can change your attitude or your outlook, and how you can change it through your vision, the change, the learning, the fear, and the boldness in it. So in this, there are actually stories which I didn't realize. I just thought it's kind of similar to these books. But there are stories from these really famous books. One or two stories are from the books which I already told you. And what are the important lessons you have learned from those books are these. The finance section of the book, thinking about it, or if you're planning to plan your finances or how to think about it. Psychology of Money is again a good book to deal with. It will give you some practical kind of solutions as well. So planning is important, but the most important part of every plan is to plan on the plan, not going according to the plan. Next on my list is Shoe Dog. It is a good story. It will give you inspiration. It's a good one. That is definitely on my list on number 8. So the last one that I'm recommending today is Think and Grow Rich. Too many of those who begin at the bottom never manage to lift their heads high enough to be seen by opportunity, so they remain at the bottom. It tells you how to improve your thoughts, and your thinking and your thoughts is how you will grow rich. So these were the recommendations that I had. If you are just beginning into reading, let me know what you think and let me know your favorite book in the description. I'll try to read one. Bye. Thank you.